Your house's strength starts here. Its footing layout and rebar works are the foundation of your entire structure. If you get this wrong, the rest of the build is at risk. Before any steel is tied, your site must be laid out based on the structural plans. Surveyors or engineers will mark the footing lines. In residential projects, the most common types are isolated footings for individual columns, combined footings if two columns are close together. Reinforcing bars or rebars are the steel skeletons of your footing. Before the concrete is poured, there are several items you need to check. These are critical to your project's success and could even affect your structural warranty. So make sure you take the time to do this properly. Here's what you need to look out for. Check if the rebars match the size and quantity shown on the structural drawings. Verify that the layout agrees with the structural plans, especially the distance from the edge of the footing to the edge of the foundation. Make sure that the spacers are in place to hold the steel at the correct concrete cover. Confirm that the embedment lengths shown on the drawings are correct. This is an important inspection item for your engineer or quantity surveyor. They provide tensile strength, which is the opposite of concrete's main weakness. Download our footing and rebar checklist to avoid costly footing and rebar mistakes. Our checklist will help you stay organized and ensure nothing is overlooked. Click the link below to get instant access to the checklist. It's a free resource we hope you'll find valuable. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Concrete is strong in compression, which is why you'll often hear it called compressed concrete. The steel is what holds everything together when the concrete is poured. It's also critical that the bars are bent and tied correctly based on the structural drawings. The most common rebar sizes used in residential footings are 10 mm and 8 mm bars. Smaller diameter bars are typically used for tying, and larger bars may be needed for specific structural requirements. Rebars are usually cut and bent on site using a bar bending machine. Remember, your rebar detail drawings will show you exactly what needs to be done. Some key things to remember about rebar works are: use proper tie wires. The most common size is 2.5 mm. Maintain cover distances. The minimum cover for a footing is 50 mm for both top and bottom. Place concrete spacers. This is something commonly overlooked. Spacers help ensure the concrete doesn't overflow the formwork, and they also prevent the steel from being exposed after the concrete is poured. There are various types of concrete spacers available, and strip footings for load-bearing walls. Each one serves a specific structural purpose. Ensuring the spacing and locations follow the blueprint, these lines will guide all future structural elements, so it's crucial they're accurate. In this video, we break down everything you need to know about footing and rebar works. Let's get into it. Scene 2, Footing Layout Basics. Scene 3, Types of Footings. Scene 4, Rebar Works Explained. Scene 5, Site Inspection Checklist. Scene 6, Solid footings mean a safe structure.
Oh.
Don't guess your way through this step.